So here we have, I think it's a 43cc engine. It's commonly found on little mini bikes and stuff. This one I picked up for sale, 20 bucks. Didn't have the muffler, didn't have the fuel tank. There's a little tachometer. That I'm going to mount elsewhere. I just mounted it there for the video. Didn't have a spark plug, so I was like, not really sure about compression because I didn't have a plug with me to throw in there, and you can see the end is come off, so it's just kind of a bare end right now. I put this little tachometer wire just to see what kind of RPMs we get. Had this little gearbox on the back. This one does have electric start, so that's what I hooked this up just to run it. Here's your negative. This would ground somewhere on the engine. There's the positive input, and it came with a bunch of other stuff too. It came with this wiring right here. This, I'm guessing, is the contactor, maybe voltage regulator, and all this wiring. I'm not really sure exactly how it hooks up, but I'll figure it out. So I use this electric scooter right here. Hooked up the motor controller to it just to spin it around, and it does work. So let's fire this up and see what we get out of here. See, it chokes off. Got my little cable right here. Kind of hard to hold the camera and do the cable at the same time, so I ain't gonna get a little screwdriver and do it instead here. Let's see. Yeah, we'll use that right here. See how high it goes. Yeah, the carburetor still needs to be tuned. I cleaned it a little bit, but that's the general idea of how it's running. It's like it's running, but not quite right. It looks like I almost hit 10,000 RPM, so I think once I get the carburetor figured out, then it'll be running good. Just gotta figure out what I'm gonna put it on. See you then.